Let's move on to talk a bit about the theme of our conference of Cold Chain Life. Obviously, we've set ourselves a very grand ambition, talking about towards net zero. We've done it deliberately to be, I think, a bit provocative to get people thinking and talking about the long term. But we absolutely have to ground that in the current and the pragmatic. How does Lineage as a business sort of see the overarching kind of responsibility around environmental responsibility?
Yeah, so Lineage is really embedded into this. You know, we're a very value-driven company. As you can see, probably, I'm not sure whether you get to see that on the screen, but you know, our values are there in the background. Our purpose is to eliminate waste and feed the world, and waste is food waste, it's energy waste, it's all types of waste. So you know, we're very embedded into looking at that. And some of the things that Lineage have done is beyond sort of incredible, really. The Department for Energy in America have awarded Lineage 2 sort of prizes, if you like, for energy reduction and how they've been approaching that. I think I've talked before about the blast freeze cells. That was one of the things that they put forward to the Department of Energy in America to get them to understand what Lineage is doing to try and reduce energy consumption.
Let's unpack that a little bit. Obviously, blast freezing is a key part of the services we provide, temperature-controlled logistics. What's the win there in terms of the work you've been doing around innovation around blast freezing?
So there's two wins. So one is energy consumption, and the other is time to freeze. So our data scientists took a problem, and that problem actually started around strawberries and the strawberry harvest in the US, and they were looking at how they could get more product through the blast cells in a more efficient way to meet the strawberry harvest. And when they looked at that, they started to analyse what was happening on airflow, and what they did was optimise these blast cells, and what that did is reduce the energy consumption and the time it took to freeze the actual product within there. So by using real data science and using real, clever people, I move pallets around. These guys, put numbers on things that I don't understand, and they're very clever people who are just looking all the time about how we can innovate what we're doing to become more efficient.